press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my videos.
So this is a makeup basics series video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can make your nose slimmer by makeup. People, what's up? Welcome back and a fresh hello for all of you who are new for my channel, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. An important message guys, a giveaway is running on my channel, and if you haven't enrolled in the giveaway, please enroll and you might win the giveaway. So in this video I will be showing you how you can slim your nose with the help of your makeup. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. So for shaping up your nose, you would need a brown eyeshadow. So here I'm having this Savannah Colors eyeshadow palette, and it has a beautiful brown color which would work really nicely for this job. And for the brush, I'm using this brush. This is a flat brush, so yes, it would work really nicely. So I would be just going up I would be just using a very little amount, and I would place it straight on the sides of my nose. So just make sure that you are placing the brush on the sides of your nose and not on the bridge of your nose, and not very low right here, just here on the sides of the bridge of your nose. So you see how I have placed the eyeshadow. This is the place you would place your eyeshadow. Now again I would be just placing it over here. And now just curving my brush a little bit. So you see how I have placed the eyeshadow around my nose. So this is the trick. You have to place your eyeshadow just on the sides of your bridge of the nose. And now with the help of your ring finger, just blend it. Just go very slow-handed, because you should not move your makeup. So just blend it very properly. So now I have blended my eyeshadow color on my nose, and you can see the result. My nose is looking more structured, more slim, more slender. So yes, if you are fed up with your nose and you're not happy with your shape of the nose, you can use this trick and you would get beautiful structured nose like this in a minute. So guys, this was the makeup series video on how you can make your nose slimmer by makeup, and I hope it was helpful. And if you love this video, please give it a big thumbs up and show some love by sharing my videos with your friends and family. And if you have any kind of suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. I just love your suggestion guys. And yes, this was all for this video. I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.